We're having hiccups together. He's having his baby hiccups, and I'm having real hiccups. Right? We're having hiccups together.